So, papasok kami ngayon sa KLCC Mall. Yan, right side pala po. Where? Grocery.
Okay, I follow you.
No, you take us to the grocery.
Grocery.
So, konting walking tour muna tayo. Ito kami ng grocery, mamimili. Tingnan ko ano mabili. Bili tubig. Pagkain. Original, local. Local dish. Paspas rabao. Unique lo sila diri o. Unique to lo. O sa Irish sandwich, mga clubhouse. May isitan din. Isitan. Yan o. Ito yata yung grocery nila. It's Empire Sushi. Lili Mango. Gusto mo, mami? Kiwi? Kuang kiwi? Ayun, kiwi, oh. Ay, kiwi ba na? Parang hindi. O, kiwi nga. Gusto mo, mami, kiwi? Kiwi?
Hindi ako nakatikim na kiwi.
Ito, pili tayong kiwi para makatikim ka.
Sana.
Isa lang. Lalim naman ang basket nila. Grapes, mami. Ay, is this lychee? Longgan? Longgan. Lychee. Matamis mo na lychee. Pero kaunin ba sa hotel mamayang gabi?
Ha?
Melon nila, oh.
Star apple.
Sa Star Apple?
Oh, star. Kani ba uda ko kay ilang
Watermelon.
termino. Strawberry. Long ko kayo.
Ayaw na lang? Okay. Okay. Kunti mabiling. Super. Ayan, macadamia. Kasoy. Naana. Ayan, oh. Walnut. 12,
Baligyan pa yung tabi.
meron silang almonds. Almonds, mama. Gusto ka? Ayaw. Ganito.
Pero
Kuan ka ng ano ba to? Yung parang sa kalabasa.
seeds.
Seeds. Ito mga kuan, oh. Yung mga dried fruits. Pasalubong.
Mabigat. Marami ng fruits yan.
Bibilhan ka daw ng baggage ni Bikyat.
Huwag na.
Wow, chicken. Ay, mga sushi. Japanese, ano. Ay, kafe pa sila. 20 RM only. Wow. Pero di ko gusto yung sushi. Gusto ko sashimi lang. Sparkling. Bili na kayo tubig, ma. Is this medium or bottle at source? Ito. Hindi ko alam. Kuha mo tubig. Anong tubig nyo? What's the difference? And then,
You try Malaysian
yeah, Malaysian.
Maggi
Huh?
noodles. Instant noodles.
Ah, noodles. Yes, yes, yes. For pasalubong.
Malaysia brand.
Local.
Yeah.
Well, noodles pasalubong.
You like spicy? You can try this.
Do you have something like this one? Not in cup.
Not in
Like this kid.
like
Ah, here.
one,
Goreng is from Malaysia. I think Indonesia.
goreng Malaysia.
Ah, Malaysia.
Same like Indonesia.
And Indomie.
This product Malaysia. This Indonesia.
Indonesia, yeah, because I saw that in my. Ah, this one is Malaysia. Ah. I'll buy this. This is spicy, ah. Not so
Spicy. Spicy the black color.
black,
Can see.
but it's okay. I'll just try. Wala yung pasalubong ng noodles dito sa mga friends mo. Ako magdadala ako. Kay mahal kayong noodles sa Germany. I'll buy. Yeah, Indomie. Very expensive in Germany.
Very expensive. Huh?
In Germany.
How much in Germany?
One is like 50 pesos. How much is that? Is 50. Or no, it's 1.75. Like 100 pesos, 100 pesos divided by 14. It's like that expensive. Yan, snacks lang. Yan, no, snack seaweed. Balki kaayo pero magaan ra. Roasted ano. Snack seaweed. Ha? Sea salt. Wasabi. Balki ka na sa baggage. Ha? Parang ganyan din. Alas 10. Alas 10. Doon sa Chocolate Kingdom daw. Doon ka na magboldas ng pera, mami. Gusto ko yung ano, kape. Malaysian coffee? Like flat white.
White coffee, right?
Coffee.
White one or black one?
Both. We try both. Caramels.
No sugar.
Okay.
Black sugar. Buy 6 free one. This one.
What's
This
this?
one no sugar. Chicken. This one
No.
low.
I'll try the no sugar. This one, right?
Buy 6 free one. You like?
6? Okay.
Buy 6. You want 6?
Oh, yeah. So it's 7 all.
One, two,
How many?
4, 5.
6.
One more.
That one free one you come back. After pay you come back.
Ah,
Oh,
Okay.
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 You get from me.
I think I need a new card.
Thank you.
I will take for you.
Yeah, please, thank you.
Durian?
Also. Mami, may durian candy dito, mami.
Dry durian.
Quaker Oats. Yeah. Kumuha pa ng isang cart. What's this?
This one bird nest.
Ah, bird nest. Okay.
You like?
Oh, it's very expensive, ah.
You got the small one. Small.
How it's, you put it in the soup?
Have to cook. Have to cook.
Ah.
Boil.
How many pieces? As only 4.
Ini from.
And then this is 26.
You from Indo.
Huh?
From where?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Tongkat Ali.
Yes.
What is tongkat ali? Stick?
Buy one, free one. This one. Buy one, free one.
Is this a how is this like how do you prepare this?
This one, cook only. Put water, cook only.
So, nang grocery kami kanina. Kaming napamili. So, para hindi kakasya sa luggage namin. Yun, pabili kami ng panibagong luggage. Yan. Namili kami. Tapos yan po yung pinang grocery. Kaya siya bulky kasi namili kami ng mga seaweeds. Yan. So, taon din naman na si Mami. Taon naman si Mami na hindi nagdala ng extra luggage. So, yun. At least magagamit namin yung baggage allowance niya. Para din itong sa isa ka luggage. Ayun, napamili. Nakarami ng gastos. Dampot lang na dampot. Anyway, see you again.